Hello everyone, and today we'll be unboxing the IKEA FNURRA. At least I guess I say FNURRA. Okay, so as you can see, it's a clock, or you can call it a lantern too, in many ways. So this is how it looks. You can see we're going to open it right now. So that the tape, then open it up. And okay, so first things we have in here, sorry I have to use only one hand since the other one is recording. So first things we have here is the clock itself, or you can call it a speaker or lantern, something like that. So let's just try and get the clock out. Okay, let's just get the instructions. And with the instructions, you also get the cable here to plug it in. Okay, now let's just do this. And there we go. So, as you can see, this is how it looks. The time should display around here. But right now, we're gonna do it just... Okay, so I'm just gonna read the instructions very fast. And then also gonna unbox it, do the wires, and then I'm gonna continue the video. Okay guys, so as you can see, I set up, it's already now, that's the time 21:04. Right now I plugged it in charger. So the thing is, you'll have to put the battery inside here. So yeah, you gotta put the 3 AA batteries, and the manual shows how to do it when you buy the thing. So this thing is very nice. It has a lot of features. First thing is that it has light. As you can see, I can change how bright is the light. Then you can go lighter and lighter and lighter and lighter to right up to 10. And 10 is very bright, as you can see. So yeah, and you have a bunch of modes over here. Like, I'm not sure what does this do. And then this is another mode. Then we have the time, the alarm, the music, and the night light for how much minutes do you want it. So like, yeah, and you can choose how much minutes. So I guess that's kind of it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.